In this tutorial I will show how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger app. First, open your Messenger app. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Tap on the gear icon. Then select Privacy and Safety. Then go to End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Select Security Alerts. Toggle that off. After you disable, head towards to Chat section. Then just long press on the chat that you want to turn off end-to-end encryption and delete that chat. This is how you can turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger.